Show all components for setup. The device includes 2 spare fuses for internal fuse replacement in case of malfunction. Use a screwdriver to gently pry open the fuse holder, and then replace the broken fuse with one of the spare fuses. Install the filter. There are 4 small sealing rubber rings on the connection pins, and when unscrewing the filter, you will find another 2 larger rubber rings on the bottleneck. You can replace any of these rings with the spare ones provided in the accessory bag in case of damage. Remove the pre-installed screws. Unscrew the pre-installed screws on the base and proceed to install the grip. Cotton filter replacement. Remove the cap from the suction port to access the filter. Replace the filter weekly, and the rubber ring can be swapped with a spare from the accessory bag. Breast cup connection. Attach one end of the narrow Y-shaped hose to the suction port. Connect the other 2 ends to the breast cups. Vacuum cup connection. Connect one end to the suction port on the main unit. Attach the 2 remaining ends to the 2 vacuum cups. For single cup use, tie a knot on the spare end. Roller cup connection. Connect one end of the straight hose to the suction port and the opposite end to the roller cup. Connect the EMS patches to the main unit. Position the EMS patches into their holders. Connect the power cord and activate the power button. Choose EMS on the screen. Settings. Time, 20 minutes. Energy level, 3. Speed, S. Mode, M1. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Choose vacuum cupping on the screen. Settings. Time, 10 to 15 minutes. Mode, M2. Suction duration, 0.5 s. Release duration, 0.2 s. The suction time should exceed the release time. Adjust the suction intensity based on individual tolerance levels. Press the start button to initiate the process. Press the pause button to stop the operation. Power off the device and unplug the power cable.